So here's Devin with his dollar. Nope. Nope.
No dollar bill.
Like this.
Like this.
See if it'll take it. Oh, bye-bye dollar. Hold on, hold on. Alright, so you want these up here?
Yes.
You want those right there?
Yes.
So that's A2. Can you find the A? 2. You get them?
Yeah.
You gotta get your change. Gotta get your change.
That is.
Are we getting on?
Yeah.
Oh, here, I'll press the button.
Not well. Oh yeah.
Where are we going?
2. 2.
Alright, do it.
7.
Doors are gonna close.
7.
Ready to get off?
Yes.
Are we at number 2?
Yeah.
Here we go. Off we go. Alright, hey, we're not going any further. We're gonna get back on.
Yeah.
You wanna get back on? Let the doors close. Press the button. Long story. Been here many years. This boy loves riding the elevators. We're going back to 1?
Yeah.
Alright, there go the doors. Hey, you watching? You watching the number? What number's up there? What number's up there, do you see? There is no number up there. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Jesus. Are we done?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, you say bye?